My name is Abhash. I done my bachelor's from APS University, Rewa, Madhya Pradesh in 2023. And after my graduation, I wanted to join the IT industry as a developer. So that's why I joined Crio. And here, for over the year, I gained my skills as a front-end developer and as a full-stack developer. So I started from scratch and learned my development skills, built some projects, built some team projects as well, and built some solo projects also, and enhanced my skills in Mun Stack, and currently upskilling myself in Next.js and in TypeScript. And after my 12th, COVID came, and because of the COVID, I can't go out for my BTech and for the information technology field. So that's why I have to choose my local college, and I did BSc in mathematics. But after BSc mathematics, I thought let's do MCA because I wanted to join the IT industry. So, but after seeing my seniors who did MCA from various big colleges are still struggling to find a job and are still upskilling themselves in some other platforms. So that's when I thought, instead of joining the MCA, let's directly jump to a platform who will give a great opportunity, a great learning opportunity, and a great career opportunity. So I that's when I started researching about some popular coding boot camps. So I came across Coding Ninjas, Accio Job and all, and I found Crio the better one, like the best among all. So that's why after completing my final year exams, I started I started my journey in Crio. The first thing that I thought, like, I want to become a developer. So in the first day of my joining in Crio, I did not know anything about JavaScript. I did not know anything about React. I did not know anything about development. I only knew HTML and CSS because I watched some YouTube videos. So I started my journey from very scratch. So my main goal was to become a good developer. I will be able to build things. So that's my primary goal was. And after joining Crio, I polished my skills. I gained some development skills, and now I'm here. I found the curriculum very supportive. In case of like I came from a person who came usually from Hindi medium school and did not have any background of computer fundamentals. So Cryo really helped me in that, and I think I spent my 1 month learning computer fundamentals. So Cryo curriculum helped me in that also, and then I started my JavaScript series, like JavaScript curriculum. So I spent around 2 to 3 months learning JavaScript. Like Cryo taught me on basic block coding. Like I have started my journey from block coding, and then I switched to normal code. So yeah, for a beginner, it's very good, and for an experienced person also, it is very good. He can start directly from the main coding. So yeah, I find it very helpful for me. Yeah, the mentor, like all the mentors were really good. I remember the first mentor that we got and she was very helpful. And then I think Mayank Tiwari sir, who taught us JavaScript basics, like, and he helped, like, whenever I stuck in anywhere, I usually go to my LinkedIn, DM them, and they reply. Like any mentor who taught us in our Cryo curriculum, they will reply to us. So I remember a mentor who taught us in FE2, I guess. So his name is Utkarsh Thakur, and he will reply to any DM that I will send. After entering the referral pool, so before entering the referral pool, we have to clear a bar raiser exam. So I took a pause after Feb, and after 1 month of preparation, after polishing my skills, I cleared my bar raiser exam. So so I scored 600, I guess, overall in 750 out of 750. So the bar result went really good. Then I entered my referral pool. So the first opportunity I got was the Swiggy one. So I cleared their hacker rank test, and then my profile got on hold. The second opportunity I got was XRT. So that was basically my first interview. So the interview went great, but I felt like I have to improve myself in DSA. So I moved to DSA. I got I like uh, if I can say, like, I got two opportunities every month. Like I got two interviews, like technical interview. I'm not adding those hacker rank or coder bite test. So I got, I think, two opportunities every month. So I, like there's always room for a person to improve. So after giving many interviews, I think I failed in 4 to 5 interviews. I failed in some coder bite tests, and then uh, then I got uh, interviews with Autonomous AI and other companies as well. But I don't know what went wrong. The company puts profile on hold. Like 3 to 4 company put my profile and on hold after clearing their like 3 to 4 rounds. But then I got a call from my POC that a company wants to offer. So as to do not rely on any company. So I got a company named RBH Solutions, and everything went well. The test went well, and then the interview went well. They even informed me like, "Do you want to relocate to Patiala or not?" And I said, "Yes, I will relocate to Patiala if got the offer." The interviewer was impressed, and everything went great. So I started to think like I got selected, and they took around 2 weeks. And in 2 weeks, I was in a hope of getting a call from them. And yeah, they informed my POC also that they will generate a, like they will conduct a HR round, or they will directly offer me the package that they have discussed with Crio. But after 2 weeks, I think they found other candidate, and they hired someone from Patiala or Punjab itself. So I got very depressed, and like uh, it was my third and fourth interview that I cleared, but I did not get offer from them, and I got stuck. So I feel like let's focus on DSA part. So then I started my DSA 3 and DSS 4 sprint. So yeah, that sprint really helped me, and I gained linked list knowledge and dynamic programming knowledge. And later on, it helped me in cracking the DSA coding round stuff. So Cry will provide reference, that's for sure. It doesn't like it will directly, you have to clear the interview, that's for sure. Cryo will provide reference, Cryo will provide you interview opportunities there, but that does not guarantee you a job. You have to clear their interview rounds. So you have to make sure you are up to the mark. The position is for a front end, then you have to make sure you are polished in your React or whatever the thing that company is asking. Cryo will only provide referrals, the interview opportunities, but you have to clear it by your own.